Okay, home. Yeah, who introduce you the trip for actually depart tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, so 12 days, Hanoi is the southwest, and you stay in Meo Waterfall, and the second day you're riding Mai Chau Valley, and the third days you're riding to Ta Sua. It's one of the most beautiful in the northwest Vietnam. And after that you head up north to in Mù Cang Chải and then Sapa, and from here you ride one day straight to Ha Giang. Okay, so from here you can start and explore the central and the northeast of Vietnam. Okay, so riding up here is near China's border, keep along the lines and go to Bao Lac, and from here cut shortcut to go to Bangioc Waterfalls. And then it's long day of course, and the next day also long, and from Bangioc Waterfall to Ba Bê. But you have an extra night in Ba Bê that you can explore or do the boat trip around before you ride back to Hanoi. So that's the 12-day trip.
This Flip-Flop Navigator video is day 1 of 11 days of motorcycle touring in northern Vietnam. On day 1, I travel 150 kilometers out of Hanoi to Mu Falls to my homestay. I got set up for my tour. They changed the route. We added a day. And I'm gonna have some rolled pho and some bitter melon. No, thank you. No, thank you. Some bitter melon, which is with egg, which looks like Goya champuru in Okinawa. There is my rolled pho, my Goya, bitter melon. Breakfast, we have banh mi with some chili sauce. Got my Vietnam coffee. And the bottom is all sugar, condensed milk.
2 and 3 days. In one put on the train, in a Titan mall, in a comeback garage shop, in a so many in a garage.
So 2-3 day I put oil.
Put oil. Yes.
And then Titan.
Titan. Not in the rain, in a 3 days.
Okay.
In one rain, in every day, in a put more. In one question, in one check, in the oil engine for me.
My adventure starts in Hanoi and takes me through the back roads of the countryside to places like Mu Falls, the dinosaur's backbone, the town of Sapa, the Ha Giang Loop, Bangioc Waterfalls, and Ba Bê Lake before I head back to Hanoi. This must be the wood manufacturing section. The GPS has me turn off the road, go down a block, and then come back. So I guess the guide sent me down this road so I can see this. That's one of the advantages of having the guide. Hello. Starting to get rural. There's some farms around. I'm 32 kilometers outside of my starting point. 150 kilometers for the day. And I feel like I'm in a rural town now. This is awesome. This is exactly where I'd rather go than on the main road. Over here to the right are making rope. They're twisted. The thing spinning here is to keep the flies off the food. Off-road I go. Ready to head over this bad boy with the motorcycle. Motorcycle taxi jacket orange keeps me bright. 555 ha ha ha. Flip-flop navigator. Flip-flop navigator also on the back. Now you can definitely see the mountains in the distance. They're about 95 kilometers out. I go up those mountains 1,000 meters and then there's a waterfall and that's where I'm staying tonight. Xin chào. Ah, okay. She told me I could wash my face. Sugarcane juice. Very good. Natural Red Bull. Maybe some ice. Yep. Perfect. Come on.
Ti amo.
Ti amo. Ti amo cafe. I got. Ti amo. No, I don't need food. Thank you. Oh, it says food and drinks. She wants me to go inside and get food. Sugar cane juice and 2 waters for 30,000 dong, which is $1.20. Pretty happy. Now there's the mountains I'm going to. Getting into the mountains. Still have 90 kilos to go. Moving on down the road. I don't know what that is. Looks like maybe fish food or something. I don't know what it is. I feel like a fish net there on the right. The old church ruin. This is what I came here for. Look at this. Little tiny dirt road. Water on my left, water on my right, mountains in front of me. Look at these guys living in the mountains. They have their little house, water on both sides, the ducks behind them. No neighbors to bother them. Look at this cool old church on the water. I think it's a church, maybe not. There's a smokestack, so it's probably some kind of commerce. I almost paid the idiot tax today. I stopped here and look what fell out of my pocket. So lucky. Otherwise I'd be down to 1 camera. Backtrack probably 5 or 10 kilometers. Moving ahead. Very lucky. Learned my lesson. Will not happen again. How does this thing open? Do you know? The bike ran about 160 kilometers on a tank of gas, and it cost me 50 to 100,000 dong, or $2 to $4 each time I filled up. I made it a habit to start looking for gas stations after traveling 100 kilometers, and only saw the low gas light once the whole trip. The gas station attendant and I played with the gas cap for about 10 minutes before we figured out it flips up instead of twisting off. Oh. This 80, 20, 40, 60, 80. Thank you. Look at this little hut. Heading up the hill as I'm climbing up the mountain. Oh, those rice paddies. The closer I get, the more I have to stop. Probably 15 kilometers away from my destination. Sam's corn drying in the sun. It's 3 o'clock. I think I left about 10 o'clock. I'm 150 kilometers in. I backtracked 10 kilometers, so I probably have 10 to go. My GoPro has been doing good. I wondered if I could have the battery plugged into it while I'm riding. Probably could. Hello. There's the bike and my room. Up these steps. This is my shower slash swimming hole. There's where I'm gonna eat dinner, shower. This is where I'm sleeping. Heading to the swimming hole. There's the bananas. There's the siesta place. There's the beautiful flowers. Down these steps is the swimming hole. If this adventure makes you want to get off the couch and head out on a dirt bike trip to Meo Falls in northern Vietnam for a quick dip, please like, subscribe, share, and send any questions you have. Look at this beautiful place. So I think in hindsight I should have gone with the full face helmet. It would protect the wind from coming in my face in the dust more than the half face, and obviously there's the protection from if you smash your face. They're cookie dinner and I'm doing nothing. I feel really bad. Ask them if they want me to help, but I don't think they understand. This is pork, chicken, chicken, bamboo, rice, and the rice wine. Nam. Some kind of sausage and veggies. And soup. Pig. She brings out the new bottle, the frozen one. This is the empty one. Stay tuned. Day 2 of my Ha Giang Loop to Mai Chau and beyond are coming soon.